Hello, hello, hello guys! Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to any part of the world. Ngayon, andito ako sa UK at dinalaw ako or binisita ako ng aking kamag-anak, relatives dito sa UK. Pinuntahan pa niya ako kasama ng kanyang asawa na British. So, I'm so happy at after nagpicture-picture kami sa bahay nila Bjorn, ang tawag sa bahay nila dito ay flat. Sa flat nila Bjorn ay bumaba kami. Ang pangalan ng aking relative ay si Lani. Si Lani at ang kanyang hubby na si Daddy G ay sobrang bait. Thank you so much sa mga sa flowers, sa pa-flowers at saka pa-chocolates. Okay? Ayan, makita nyo kumain kami sa Wimpy. Then, kwentuhan at balitaan. So ang saya. That was May 26, 2025. So, picture hanggang sa matapos kami kumain. And I was so happy that time because kahit malayo yung bahay nila, 2 hours ang biyahe, pinuntahan pa niya ako doon sa Waltham Cross dito sa Cheshire. So, thank you so much, Lani and Daddy G. See you again next time. At mainam nakilala mo yung bagong panganak naming baby. Si baby girl, Bella. Ayan, tingnan mo. Super cute. Cutie. Okay, next is June 1 naman. Yung isang relative ko din dito sa UK ay birthday niya. Happy birthday, Grace! More birthdays to come. Siya si Tita Rosie, anak niya si Grace, at anak naman ni Grace si Sophia. So, nagpicture muna kami ng apo niya, ang ganda-ganda. Kasama si Nikki at si Mateo. O, eto na yung aking tita, Tita Rosie, at yung anak niya na si Grace. At si Nana Maring, ang kanyang sister-in-law. So, alam nyo guys, itong si Nana Maring ay taga San Miguel, Bulacan. It's so happy na nagbakasyon din pala siya sa UK, kaya nagkita kami dito. Kaya picture kami dyan. Ang saya-saya. And then, June 7 naman, nagpunta kami sa bahay ng aking balae na si kumparing Alex de la Cruz, which is ang daddy ni Lex. Si Lex ay asawa ni Bjorn. At eto naman ang mga pictures ng brothers ni Lex. Si Jojo, si Mark at si Nico. At nag-attend naman kami ng birthday ng anak ni Nico, na si JM. Wait, mag-i-intro muna ang lola nyo. Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. It's me, Bless. We're going to attend the birthday of JM. Andito pa rin kami sa London. So tara, panuorin ninyo ang aming mga happenings dito sa UK. Go, go, go! No bashing! May birthday, kumain na ng donut. Si ano? Sila Nikki, asaan? Ay, asan si ano?
He's not trying anymore.
Pagbalik namin ni Jojo, Togi pala yung na-order.
Chico. Happy birthday,
Yung
Chico.
ganyan.
Happy birthday, Chico.
I don't like.
Mateo, come
Hindi
here.
naman
Say
sinabi
happy
sa
birthday,
hindi naman
Chico.
sinabi sa akin ni
Happy
Jojo.
birthday, JM.
Eh, kasi, oo.
JM.
Pero,
Happy birthday, JM.
pero nakakatawa. Happy birthday, Jojo.
Happy birthday, JM.
Happy birthday,
Happy birthday,
JM.
Chico.
Happy birthday, JM. Para.
Boot.
Butas windscreen.
Eh, doon nga, di ba tawag na?
Ano, kahit na.
Sa dito
Left
may
or right?
mirror.
Tsaka yung tawag doon.
Eh, di kakawin nga ng ano, nakawangki nga niya.
Sabihin namin paras.
Si Bjorn, sino kamukha? Si Kobe Bryant. Carlo Aquino.
Hugas ang kami. Ako, ibaw dito yung angel po.
Asan yung remote namin?
Happy birthday, dear JM. Happy birthday to you. Blow.
Sige.
Guys, ano naman ang ganap ng June 10? June 10 ay birthday ni Mateo. So, nag-prepare na lang ng cake and then naglagay kami ng balloons at saka ng happy birthday na banderitas ang tawag dyan. And then, ayan si Bjorn, no? Feeling siya may birthday. Bali, 10th birthday ni Mateo. So, sabi niya, i-surprise daw namin siya.
Okay.
Ayan, nag-acting siya na na-surprise siya.
Birthday!
Artista talaga.
Birthday na kami!
Talagang yung apo ko na yan ay mahilig yatang
O kakasabay,
mag-artista.
tara rally na kayo.
Talagang
O
bata
Ebert,
yan,
umupo na kayo dito.
artista.
Lex, doon ka sa tabi ni Nikki.
Ayan.
Ako din sa dulo. Ebert, umupo ka na,
Love, pwesto ka na dito.
Sige, upo na ako.
The egg bunny.
Oh.
Pinapaupo na kami, mama. Upo na ako.
Dito kasi dyan si Johnny Banda. Dito ka. Tabi kayo ni Lex dito. Tabi sila ni Ebert. Ebert, doon ka sa tabi ni ano? Ni Mateo.
Huwag yung paano
Tabi
yan.
ka ni Mateo. Si Nikki, katabi ni Lex. Tapos si Bjorn, ako. Okay,
Dali, sige, ready? One.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to
Ay, wait ko lang, wait. Okay, ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Mateo. Happy birthday to you. Wish. Make a wish.
Again.
Harder.
All.
Harder.
More.
More. Okay, next.
Yay!
Birthday to you.
Ay, wait, video.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday to Nikki. Happy birthday to you.
Okay, Mateo, what can you say about your birthday today?
Hi everyone, I'm Mateo and I'm 10-year-old and I
Again.
wish you good luck everybody.
What is your wish for your birthday?
My wish was
For your birthday?
being healthy.
Wow, that's very nice wish. Thank you very much, Mateo.
Yeah, my birthday was on May 1.
Yeah.
but birthday
Okay.
party today.
Last May 1, 2025, it was Nikki's birthday. Okay? Nikki, what can you say about your birthday last May 1?
Say hello everybody. Hello everybody, I'm Nikki and my birthday was fun and I was 6 and my birthday was super fun.
Wow! Thank you so much, Nikki, for a very short message about your birthday. What was your wish when you celebrated your birthday last May 1?
I want us to stay healthy.
Wow! That was a very nice wish. Thank you very much, Nikki, for a nice interview. Bye! Hello! Today is June 10, 2025. Because it's Mateo's birthday, we're gonna eat at
Nando's.
Nando's.
Yeah, that's my favorite.
Celebrate.
We're gonna celebrate Mateo's birthday. Yoo-hoo! Okay, can you sing, Nikki? Sing happy birthday for Mateo.
Happy birthday, Mateo.
Oh, you sing happy birthday.
No, it's okay. No, it's okay.
Ah, it's
You can
okay.
say that.
Okay, okay. See you later. Hi everyone! Dahil sa sobrang excited at gutom na kami, hindi ko na nakuhang mag-video at inatupag ko na lang kumain ng kumain. Kaya ayan lang ang picture ni Mateo sa Nando's. Extension ng birthday ni Mateo, June 12 ay kumain kami sa Ada. At ang Ada ay isang Turkish restaurant. Hindi. Hindi pa kami kumakain dito.
Dito na sila, Bjorn.
Taga dito ba si ano? Si... Ah, parang ano, parang sausawan pala siya.
Parang harina.
Sausawan siya.
Salad doon to, no? Honey po siya.
Minsan naman tinataktakan niya ng olives.
Ano to, beef?
Ito yung yogurt to.
Tinapay pa kayo.
Kapag bread lang.
Wow, 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 wow.
Season 1 to 5, West Packers. Kaya ito mo, Kevin. Kaya ito mo.
It's very nice and delicious. This one is the fresh berry tart. This one is the pistachio, milfay, chocolatina, black forest, praline caramel, red velvet, strawberry cup cheesecake. That one is the banoffee, banana cheesecake, hazelnuts, Oreo, tiramisu, and pistachio. You wanna try, guys? I'm gonna ask you first because you're gonna try first time.
I mean, like,
What do you wanna try?
everyone, yeah, you guys, you know. You wanna try it? You wanna do anything?
But we,
Yeah, alright.
yeah. Wow, it's so nice and amazing.
Thank you so much.
Okay, Racing.
Double celebration.
Okay, Racing. Happy birthday! Another birthday celebration of Mateo. Happy 10th birthday, Mateo. I wish you good health always and be happy. Uy, sunduin mo yun. Hindi pa nakakakanta, biglang...
Teo, come here.
We don't yell and we go, we do pick on stuff. If nobody perfect, Mateo.
Mateo.
Because you're sometimes you're
Look, listen.
You forget you to sing a happy birthday. That's how you do it.
Yeah, we did it today.
So,
Dad, I'm actually right now.
Ano lahat bully sa akin yung alam na lahat ng ano ko eh.
June 13, 2025, nagpunta uli kami kina Tita Rosie. Ito si Sofia. Birthday niya, kaya nag-attend kami ng kanyang kaarawan. So, nag-picture taking uli kami ni Tita Rosie at saka ng mga relatives ng mga nandoon. Ayan. Siyempre, enjoy. At minsan-minsan lang kasi kami nagkita. Nagkita uli kami ni Nana Maring. Malapit na rin siya umuwi sa Pilipinas. Okay. And then, kinantahan namin si Sophia ng happy birthday. 6th birthday niya, June 13.
Happy